welcome to the channel. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be doing this updo hairstyle, and I'm going to be using this hair extension. Now, the hair extension that I will be using, it's either I got it or I bought it. I don't remember. Based on the tag that I'm seeing now, it's called Pretty Quick. Now let's start the hairstyle. Okay guys, so first I'll be starting off by making an ear-to-ear part, and do try to make this part as straight as possible. I mean, personally I was struggling with this, so don't feel bad if you didn't make a straight enough part on your first attempt. Just keep trying until it's straight enough. Alrighty? A key thing to note, guys, is that to accomplish this ear-to-ear part, I parted the front into 2 halves, which made it so much easier. Alright guys, so now that the front is parted, I am just securing the back section of my hair in the meantime, and then I am going to flat twist the front. However, because I want my flat twist to be as neat as possible, I will be applying some Eco Gel. So now that the flat twist is done, I am just securing the end of it with an elastic band, and then I'm going to style the back section of my hair. So the thing is, guys, I'm going to be applying some Eco Gel and also some hair wax, and afterward I'm going to put it in a ponytail, and then I'm going to tie it down with a scarf. Like, guys, do you know that there is magic in the scarf? Do you know? Well, guess what, guys? You cannot leave it out because it has magic, okay? It has magic. Your scarf has magic. Alright guys, so I'll be using this particular clip to make this ponytail even more neat. And if you are a Jamaican watching this video, then it's a possibility that you may know this particular clip. And if it's a case where you do, don't be afraid to drop a comment and comment all the different names that are given to this clip. So now to secure the top of my hair, I'm just going to braid it into two. Look at me guys, looking like a moo. But anyways, I'm just gonna secure these braids with some elastic bands. Alright guys, so let the magic begin. So in the meantime guys, and given that this hair is kind of old, I am just fluffing it out with my fingers, and then I will be adding some mousse. Magic, woo! Alrighty, so now it's time to put the drawstring ponytail on top of my hair. And a trick that I use when I'm doing this is that I put the combs to the side instead of placing them to the back. I hope that makes sense. And of course, to secure the drawstring, I'll be using a bobby pin to do so. And likewise guys, here and there, I just added some bobby pins. Alright guys, so now I'll be adding some hair ornaments, and best believe that I was just working with whatever I had. So when you're doing yours, I mean, you can use any amount that you want and just place them wherever. Alright guys, so this is it. Let me know if you're gonna try this hairstyle, and if you do like it, I mean, give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see me make more natural hair videos like this, then let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I pray that God will continue to protect and guide you and lead you. Bye bye. Thank you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.